Okay, we're back. Okay, we have a gentleman, tie and so like a orangey kind of shirt. Could you state your name? Are you checking on the case, sir?
Judge, good morning. I'm the interpreter for the matter of
For Mia? Okay, stand by. We're going to get a breakout room for you. Stand by. Counsels, do we have an attorney available for a breakout room for Mr. Mia? We've got the interpreter present.
Your Honor, we do, but the only way to do it is DDC would have to put him in front of one of the cameras and go into a breakout room, which means we would have, and right now you're on camera 1 and we're on camera 2, so we have to pause interviewing on one of the cameras. We just want to make sure that's okay with them.
Well, here's the thing. We don't want to start running behind because I've got attorneys basically. So camera 1 is not as much an option because we really need to get going. So if you guys can make camera 2 available long enough to just do a breakout room and then get Mr. Mia in front of the camera, then you guys can keep going.
Okay, so we'll hang up with camera 2 right now so the court can call into camera 2 as well.
Well, you guys usually call in here and then I put you in the breakout room.
Right, camera 2 from DDC is going to have to call in.
Right, which is fine. Yeah, so hang up from camera 2. We'll tell them to get Mr. Mia available as soon as possible. DDC, if you could please, if you can get MD Mia in front of camera 2, because we have an interpreter available and we kind of want to keep things moving as quickly as possible. So if we can kind of take a break from whoever's in front of camera 2 now and get Mr. MD Mia in front of camera 2, please. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you. Okay, we'll get that going. Okay, and we just had somebody else check in. Your name, sir? Counsel? Jeffrey Hall?
Yes, Your Honor. I'm sorry. I'm here on behalf of Mr. Guerrero for arraignment.
Okay, stand by. Okay. Counsel, MIDC, it looks like we have a retained attorney for Guerrero, so you don't need to concern yourself with Guerrero for the time being. Okay, counsel, stand by. We've got you checked in.
Thank you.
This is it.
And we have a few plates spinning, so just stand by. Once our DDC officer returns, we'll be able to try to get that lined up as soon as possible. Just sit tight, please. Okay. Okay. Hi, gentleman in front of the camera. Your name, sir?
Robert Lyons.
Okay, Mr. Lyons, we are on the record. Calling. Case number 2004-5383, people say Michigan versus Robert Carlos Lyons, counsel.
Good morning, Your Honor. Justice Shab on behalf of the defendant, Mr. Lyons, who waits formal reading, understands the constitutional rights and fancy.
Pull away the formal reading and to a not guilty plea on your client's behalf. There's going to be a Zoom pretrial date, April 29, 2021 at 8:30 a.m. to 36th District Court in front of Judge Bryant and Esteban, please.
Your Honor, Mr. Lyons is 50 years old. He's a lifelong resident of Michigan. He is employed on an assembly line. He does receive government assistance. He did get his GED. He does suffer from seizures. Your Honor, he's not on probation or parole. This incident allegedly is from June of 2020, so it does have some age to it, Your Honor. He understands the no contact order. They do not reside together, according to my client. He didn't even know the complaining witness, Your Honor, and this is charged as a misdemeanor. Your Honor, he's never arraigned on this. I'm respectfully asking the court to consider a personal bond. It's my understanding that he was at the hospital yesterday. Your Honor.
Okay, thank you. DDC is the bond. Are there any holds?
No holds, Your Honor.
Okay, thank you. Counsel Court takes in account representations, including that this is a matter from not quite a year ago. Also, that there is no contact between the parties. Given those elements and your client's significant ties to the community, the pandemic facing the nation, and also the additional medical concern that you addressed on the record, at this time, court was at bond the amount of $2,000 personal bond. While this case is pending, your clients have no contact with complaining witness Vernon Barganier. No contact means no written or verbal communication with this person, no messages to third parties, and no contact would also extend the place of residence and place of employment, and no social media contacts directly or indirectly. Is there anything further?
No, thank you, Your Honor.
Okay, thank you. All right, stand by. Okay, stand by.